Question 7. So factorizing is when we put the brackets in. So we're looking for the highest common factor that goes into each of these two terms. Well, there's no common factor to 3 and 2. So y squared and y, yes, we've got y in common. So we can take y outside the bracket. So y open bracket. Now y times what gives us 3y squared? Well, that's 3y. Get the sign right. It's a plus. And y times what gives us 2y? That's 2. Y times 2 is 2y. So that's our final answer. Double check it by expanding this. Y times 3y is 3y squared. And y times plus 2 is plus 2y. Now part B, expand and simplify. So expanding is getting rid of the brackets, and then simplifying is gathering together like terms. So each of these two terms in the first bracket have to multiply each of the two terms in the second bracket. The order I like to do it is x times this then this, then the minus 9 times this then this. So x times x is x squared, x times plus 2 is plus 2x, minus 9 times x is minus 9x, and minus 9 times plus 2 is minus 18. So that's the first mark for expanding. Then gathering up the like terms, plus 2x minus 9x is minus 7x. Now part C, when we have these inequalities, just treat them as if they were normal equations to be solved. So undo all this, so we've got k on the left hand side, everything else on the right. So how do we undo a plus 5? We minus 5 from both sides, so 6k is less than 15. How do we undo a timesing by 6? We divide by 6, so k is less than 15 over 6. Just popping that into our calculator or simplifying down, we can see that's 2.5. So k is less than 2.5. Now, part 2, n is an integer, so a whole number. So which is the largest whole number which is less than 2.5? Well, that's 2. Now for part D, I would just look at it like this: 28 divided by 4, 5x divided by, x to the power of 5 divided by x, and y cubed divided by y squared. So 28 over 4 is 7, and when we're dividing we take away the powers, and this is obviously effectively x to the power of 1, 5 take away 1 is 4, and y cubed divided by y squared is y to the power of 1, which is y.